Residents of Pasay City are expected to exhibit more discipline in waste management, cleanliness, and public order. This comes after the launch of the MMDA's Yes to Ayos Disiplina campaign in the city. J.M. Thompson reports.
The MMDA's Yes to Ayos Disiplina campaign has been brought to Pasay City. The program aims to inculcate discipline to our fellow citizens in various ways, such as crossing only at pedestrian lanes, boarding at the correct stops, and disposing of trash in the proper bins. For Karen, this kind of program is important because aside from helping keep the environment orderly, it is also a way to teach discipline to everyone, especially the youth.
Sobrang halaga po kasi nga una sa lahat, pag nag-ipon ka ng mga recyclable, una sa lahat, may iwas sa baha, tapos iwas sa mga ano ng kalat sa paligid. Yan dapat ang una nating ituro sa mga anak natin na maging maano sila sa mga, lalo na sa kalat sa paligid, lalo na pag yung mga recyclable, kailangan ipunin nila, separate yung lalo na yung like din ng basura, separate yung mga recyclable, yung mga nabubulok tsaka hindi nabubulok.
MMDA Chair Attorney Don Artes also sees the program as a reminder to our fellow citizens, especially the youth, that simply managing their trash properly is a big help when it comes to the orderliness of the community.
Kailangan talaga nating mag-instill ng disiplina simula pagkabata para paglaki nila ay maging disiplinado silang mamamayan.
The MMDA continuously visits various parts of Metro Manila to launch the Yes to Ayos Disiplina campaign, and the agency will also collaborate with the Department of Education to extend the reach of such advocacy on discipline.
Magkaroon na ng grand launch ito, isang malakiang launch kasama po yung 17 LGUs ng Metro Manila.
J.M. Thompson for The Nation.